We will do one more exercise, inserting correct prepositions. Okay? Now, insert suitable prepositions. Insert suitable prepositions in these sentences. In these sentences. My friend died. My friend died. An accident. Next, she killed the snake. She killed. She killed the snake. Dash a stick. Hina picked up. Hina picked up. Hina picked up the book. Hina picked up the book, kept dash the table. He has no linking. He has no linking. He has no liking. He has no liking. Dash mathematics. Dash mathematics. Wee Willie Winky runs. Wee Willie Winky runs. Dash the town. The town. I am tired. I am tired. I'm tired. Dash walking. Do not cry. Do not cry. Dash spilt milk. Milk. She came and sat. She came and sat. And sat dash me. I put down for you 8 sentences and we are going to insert correct prepositions. Read aloud to find it's right or not. My friend died. My friend died dash an accident. In an. Very good. My friend died in an accident. The next one we have is, she killed the snake dash a stick. She killed the snake with, very good, with a stick, with. Very good. My friend died in an accident. She killed the snake with a stick. Good. You did the 2 insertions correctly. Hina picked up the book, kept, dash the table. Kept, you can say under or you can say on. Anything is right. You can say on or you can say under. Wherever you want to keep. Picked up a book and kept on the table, kept under the table. Anything is right. He has no liking. No liking dash mathematics for. He has no liking for mathematics. Wee Willie Winky runs. Runs through or runs to the town. Through the town. Wee Willie Winky runs through the town. I am tired of walking. I am tired of walking. Do not cry dash milk over. Do not cry over spilled milk. She came and sat near me or beside me. Anything you can write. You can say beside me. You can also say near me. Anything is correct. So now let's read through. Insert suitable prepositions in these sentences. My friend died in an accident. She killed the snake with a stick. Hina picked up the book, kept on the table or under the table. Both are right. He has no liking for mathematics. Wee Willie Winky runs through the town. I am tired of walking. Do not cry over spilled milk. She came and sat near me or sat beside me. So we have done the correct insertion of correct preposition for every sentence. Do some underlining. Identify, underline the correct preposition. I'll give you a few sentences. You will identify and you will underline the correct prepositions in the sentences that I will give you. Underline. Underline the correct prepositions. In these sentences. So we are going to identify and then we are going to underline. Okay. Now here are the sentences. First one. I left my suitcase at the station. I left my suitcase at the station. Next. The train is on time. Are you going? Are you going to? Are you going to compete? Are you going to compete for the prize? This book is full of mistakes. His character is different. His character is different. Different from yours. From yours. Are you familiar? Are you familiar? Are you familiar with her? With her? He parted with. He parted with his children. He parted with his children with tears. With tears. She does not care. She does not care for anyone. He complained. He complained to me. He complained to me about the headmaster. He complained to me about the headmaster. Now, I've got here 9 sentences and we are supposed to underline the correct preposition in these sentences. And the first sentence is, I left my suitcase at the station. At. I left my suitcase at. That's the first preposition. The train is on time. On. Very good. The train is on time. Next one. Are you going to compete for the prize? For. Are you going to compete for the prize? Yes, for. This book is full of mistakes. His character is different from yours. From. His character is different from yours. Are you familiar with her? Very good. Are you familiar with her? He parted with his children with tears. Or you can say, he parted with his children in tears. You can say with, you can also say in tears. Okay. Now, which are the prepositions here? He parted. He parted with his children. Okay. He parted with his children in tears. In. So we have two prepositions over there. She does not care for anyone. She does not care for anyone. He complained to. The first preposition here is to. Me about. To and about. So we have here, underline the correct prepositions in these 9 sentences. I left my suitcase station. The train is on time. Are you going to compete for the prize? This book is full of mistakes. His character is different from yours. Are you familiar with her? With. He parted with children in tears. She does not care for anyone. He complained to me about the headmaster. So, we have underlined the correct prepositions at, on, for, of, from, with, in, for, to, with, and about. So, inserting, circling, underlining. So, now having done all these exercises, I am sure you have mastered the prepositions.